Well, hello and welcome back to Ashley U Life. I am at the gas station right now, and I just wanted to share with you something that I've done a lot of times in my life, but I've also talked to other people about it, and they didn't know you could do this, so I just want to share it with you. So this is not my car. It's a rental car. I'm having issues. I'll get to those at the very end if you want to hear about them. Moral of the story is that last night a hazard warning came on in this car that's a rental car, and I'm like, great, like I want to deal with anything else, right? And so I look it up and it said that there's low tire pressure. So I'm like, awesome, I'm gonna have to fill up these freaking tires or something's wrong with the car. Like, I looked and it said that there was low tire pressure. So obviously some of the tires need air. Did it tell me which tires need air? No, it did not. What kind of car tells you that you need air in your tires but not which ones? I'm just saying, my Mini, it told me which ones to put it in and how much to put it in. It was great. Now I have to figure that out. But I'm at the gas station, and most gas stations have air for you to put in your tires. And usually they have like the little coin drops and you put in coins and it turns on for you. But I've never done that. I just go inside and go, can you turn on the air for me? And they turn on the air. You don't have to pay for it. They can manually control it from inside. So I don't know if you know that, but I have talked to so many people that did not know that I feel like I need to share it with you. And I'm doing this today. So I thought, hey, I might as well film it because that's what I'm doing today. And it's a good little life hack. So usually you don't have to get gas to get air. You can just go in and have them turn it on. Today I did need to get gas because I am going to turn this car back in, and I also wanted to turn the car back in with like good air pressure just so there's like no issues, because I didn't do anything to this car. It's just having low tire pressure on its own. I just got gas. I'm going to drive over to where the air is, and then I'm going to go inside and be like, hey, can you turn it on for me? Okay, so here's the little air thing. Usually it costs $1. You just stick your quarters right in there, but I'm just going to go inside and ask him to turn on the air for me. Can you turn on the air for the tires? Thank you. And there we go. Air's turned on, baby. Woo-hoo. All right, let's do these tires. Okay, now let's try this tire. This one looks pretty good. This little thing right here pops out, so it tells you. And then for those who don't know how to put air in their tire, I mean, hey, you might have never had to do it before. Usually there's a little thing that you twist off right here, but this car doesn't have it. You stick this right here inside, and there's a perfect point at which no air comes out and it'll let air in. But if I push it, you'll hear air come out. And then once you have that connected in, you just push down on this lever right here and air goes right into it. And then when you let go, this thing will pop out. It'll have numbers on it, and depending on what your car needs, you'll know when to stop putting air in your tire, or if your tire has enough air. So it's kind of a little rundown. No, I'm not a professional or anything, but that's how you do it. Well, I hope this little life hack was helpful for you. It might not come in handy today, but it might come in handy tomorrow. But I really hope it doesn't come in handy for a while, but at least you have it in the back of your head. Make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. So if you're wondering why I have a rental car in the first place, it's because I have, since I turned in my Mini many months ago now, I have been driving my brother and his girlfriend's extra car because I'm waiting for a specific car to come out. I'm going electric, and the electric cars that were on the market or have been on the market kind of felt like I was like settling, and I didn't really want to settle. And I had done some research while we were looking at electric cars. Like, I've test driven everything, and I saw that there was a couple cars that were going to be coming out within months that I really liked and would like love. And so my brother had this extra car, so I was like, hey, can I borrow your car for a little bit while I'm waiting for this other car to come out? And he said, sure, no problem. And so the car has been great, except for this week it decided not to drive. Like, if you put it in drive, it wouldn't want to go forward. I could put it in first gear and put it into second gear and then into drive and it would go, but still, that's not how a car should be working. So obviously there's something wrong. So I took it in. It was definitely something with the transmission, something blew. So they're fixing that. And in the meantime, I've had to have this rental car. But what's funny is that in the same time that this has all been happening, the car that I want, the electric car that I want, came out. So we're gonna go look at it tonight. It's the Kona EV. I'm super stoked. There's a couple other EVs coming out as well soon, they say. So it's also like, do I go with this car or do I wait till the other car's out and then compare and contrast them? I don't know what the right answer is, but of course I will keep you posted on whatever I do. But that's just like the little summary of why I am in a rental car. And also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. Today was obviously a life hack. I don't want you to miss out on anything. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell so it updates you when I upload a new class. I'll I'll see you soon.